This class is going to be recorded all through to for people that can't make it to the meeting. But then again, I suggest everyone actually make it to the meeting because of questions, and it's actually way better learning live than just watching a video. So we are going to be starting shortly. Also, before I forget, we are going to be doing a lot of giveaways. There'll be a lot of giveaways during this 4 week bootcamp. I mean, there'll be questions and answers, those that actually introduce even more people, those that answer questions correctly, those that actually learn something, implement it, and gain from it. There'll be like giveaways weekly, even to the best traders, people that learn faster than other people. There'll be a lot of giveaways though. So expect that also. So yeah, um my colleague Scott is going to be introducing PXC, what we do, what you're going to learn, and everything you need to know as you start this bootcamp with us. Also, one more thing you need to know is the free bootcamp is going to be happening after, let's say, after every 3 months. We're going to be doing a free bootcamp, a 4 week bootcamp. And apart from that, every month we're going to be having um we're going to be having a weekly session. Let's say after every 3 weeks in a month, we're going to be having like a beginner session teaching about forex, the trade, how to trade, everything. I mean, if you have questions, we're going to there will be like a support too. Scott is going to introduce PXC, what we do, and make you understand what exactly you're about to learn.
Okay, good day, guys. My name is Scott. Nice to meet you all. You guys are welcome to PXC First Trading Bootcamp. Now, it's very nice to meet you guys. It's been long we've been planning this, but we've had to like shift the time zone because of different countries being represented here.
So before Scott continues, I just want to summarize everything again and break it down. So now, at PXC, we're going to be teaching you how to analyze the charts, how to draw technical analysis, how to use technical analysis, how to use fundamental analysis, how fundamental analysis affects technical analysis. Understand? We are going to teach you where the direction of the market is going to, where how to make entries. We are basically simplifying everything. I mean, I believe in ICT and other strategies you have heard about, and every other thing you know about. But here we are going to simplify it because, to be honest, trading is not that complicated. I mean, think about it. You you use your ICT strategy, draw the lines in the whole universe, put this, do that, and before you know it, you lost the trade. What I believe in over the years, because I've been trading for over the past 5 years now, and what I believe is you do not have to, it's not so complicated. And I also believe that everybody have their own strategy, the kind of their, I mean, they have the strategy, that dedicated strategy that works for them. I mean, a strategy that works for me now might not work for you, might not just go well with you. You understand? So that's what you're here for. We are going to show you the strategies that works. Do you understand? You will find you will see the strategies that works, then you find what is for you. Trading is very, if I want to summarize it in a sentence, is um find the trend and make your entries. That is basically trading. I don't care if it's forex, crypto, or stock markets or anything. You just need to find the trend. Find the trend, follow the trend. If the market is ranging, follow it. If the market is trending up, follow it. If it's trending down, follow it. So yeah, we are going to teach you how to trade. And we are going to teach you how to trade forex, crypto, synthetics too. You understand? And basically, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. We are going to teach you how the news affects forex, and I mean sometimes fundamentals actually makes like it's kind of like a stimulant for technical analysis. But we are not going into that now, probably in the next class. But we are teaching, like I said, we are going to be teaching how to trade. Then we are going to teach because most people, even if after showing them all the strategies in the world, showing them every single thing, they still suck at trading. They are not really good at it. So then again, at PXC, we are going to teach you the retail aspect of it. I mean, how to learn it, be good at it. I mean, some people are way good at teaching it. I mean, how to learn it, be good at it. Then you kind of like, I mean, you have to be good at something before you teach it. Then you kind of like create your own community, try to teach it to people. I mean, you have to be good at something. Understand? Most people, 90% gets better, like good at it after learning how to trade, after dedicating time and actually learning how to trade. But then again, some, just very few, are way good at the retail aspect. They call it the normal trading and the retail aspect. You understand? So that is basically the summary of everything. And apart from that, we're going to be diving into crypto too, how to trade crypto pairs. I mean, it's not just Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about altcoins like Solana, BNB, Ethereum, how to draw technical analysis, how to actually trade it like you're trading Forex. Everything is basically the same thing as far as you use our strategies, all the strategies we're about to teach you. Do you understand? So apart from the technical aspect of crypto, crypto is very broad, and I'm not really going to go dive deep into it because we are going to keep talking to you tomorrow. But to summarize everything now, crypto is quite broad. It's not just Bitcoin, it's not just BTC. Do you understand? There are so many job opportunities, and I intentionally um introduce crypto trading because I don't want to just teach you how to trade the markets. Because the truth is, you would have bad days. You're going to make a lot of money. That is for sure. I mean, just if you can turn tiny amounts to big amounts. You can turn a little $100 to over $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and this is something I've seen live. Understand? I've done it personally. I've even done more. I have friends that do as much as like $100. I know a friend that did, but he mixed technical analysis and also traded crypto. So you can do as little as $100 to he did 100. I think $100 to $1,000 to $1 million trading back to back from for 6 months. Do you understand? So yeah, there's a lot of money to be made in trading. But I want to introduce the jobs in crypto to you. So as you're trading, you have kind of you as you're learning how to trade, you have a backup. You understand? You can go into you can find job opportunities like being a community manager, a marketer, a shiller in a particular project. And there are so many projects that come out every single day in crypto. Do you understand? That part is kind of like we are going to dedicate the whole day to that. That part is quite confusing, but yeah, what we are going to be doing at PXC is we will teach you how to draw lines on your chart. Can you mute your? Okay. So we're going to teach you how to draw lines on your chart. We're going to teach you how to make your entries and everything. And we are going to teach you how to also going to teach you how to make money outside of that. So when you even lose money, because that's the truth, the main truth here that nobody will ever tell you is you are going to lose money as you're starting. Because especially when you use our strategies, you definitely make money. You're definitely going to make money and you're going to get overconfident. And before you know it, you think you're unstoppable. And before you know it, you're losing money. Do you understand? So those days where you're losing money, you know that the jobs you are doing in crypto, you are making it back. Which will give you more courage to say, okay, you want to go back into it again and keep trying because you're not going to get really good in a few weeks or months. I mean, some of us can get really good in a few months, but our learning process are different. So yeah, PXC is not just teaching you how to draw lines on the chart. Not just that. We are also teaching you how to um, find job opportunities in crypto. and also investing in crypto, technical analysis, and also buying new coins that are being minted every single day. I mean, potentials, not just random coins. We will tell you when to buy because most people come and meet you and be like, buy BTC. BTC is going up. What is backing it exactly? Why are people buying it? That's how you find people buying the top. I mean, because you see BTC hits 70K. Ah, okay, everybody should come and buy. That's how you see a lot of people just go and buy the top and end up losing money. No, I'm going to teach you how to actually draw technicals. Do you understand? How to draw lines on the charts. Let you know, okay, this is when to actually buy. Do you understand? So you're not going to be buying blindly. Do you understand? So yeah, that is basically the summary of what we're going to be teaching you. And if you have any questions, if um you are a little bit lost on what you're trying to do here, then you could ask. There would, like Scott said, there'll be a giveaway for every class. I mean, we are going to be giving out accounts and loading it up. We're going to be giving you in cash and everything, but there's no set criteria yet. But then again, for the amount of people that joined in now, you have a higher chance of getting something. And yeah, the giveaways are actually big. So, like I said, instead of we are going to be recording all our meetings, but instead of watching the videos, I would prefer you join these meetings live to get a chance of winning one of our giveaways and learning how this works better. Like I said from the very beginning, what we are sharing here is what people would actually pay top dollar for. I mean, I'm not going to be saying I want to share all my strategies or what I actually use to make money or what I've been using to make money for the past few years, but I would teach you things that you won't see. I'll basically literally just tell you the truth about trading and how it really works. So yeah, keep joining, keep attending the classes. Apart from you learning, you get a chance to actually win one of our giveaways. It could be cash, it could be um we us loading up your account to trade. If you have any question, I don't know if anybody have any question with what you have said so far. If there's anything you do not understand, you can you can ask now as we conclude. Because this is just an introductory class, so you understand what you're about to go into. So if you have any question, what you think, you want to know, any question at all, you could ask. Even if it's if it's a question concerning trading, or I mean any question. Okay. All right. If since there are no questions so far, like I said, we have recorded this and we're going to be posting it live um on the public channel in the public channel. So people that missed it would be able to watch it. The curriculum is in your faces as you can see. So our next class will be on Saturday, 4th of May, and we'll be diving deep into what Forex is and basically talking mainly about Forex and synthetic indices, the differences between them, and basically everything you need to know about Forex. The truth about it, the lies about it, the scams about it, basically everything you need to know. So I wouldn't want you missing that class for anything because it's going to be a very important class. I mean, you're going to be you're going to be surprised about a lot of things. So yeah, like I said from the very beginning, can you make money trading Forex, trading crypto, trading anything with the price charts? Yes, you can definitely make money, a lot of money. I mean, we are talking life-changing money. Can you lose the money also? Definitely, you can lose money. But then again, that's why you're here. We're here to teach you how to actually make money trading, teach you to know when to trade, how to trade, when to sit on your hands, when to touch grass, when to avoid. I mean, there are times when you actually need to avoid the markets for a whole week. So I'm going to tell you when to do that. You understand? So, yeah, since there are no questions, we'll be ending this, our very first introductory class. Our next class will be on Saturday, 4th of May, and I can't wait to see you there. Share with your friends, share with your family, tell them about this big opportunity, and I would see you in our next class.